Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a quick look at this Skytech H100. It's a real beauty. Now, you know, this one of them deals, you got to throw it in the water before it'll bind. It won't bind out of the water, so it's got one of those little water safety switch type deals on there, so you got to throw it on in there and let her rip. Now, this thing had it's not your typical controller for a boat. This is from a quadcopter. It's just redone for a boat, because it had a label on there. I guess the Skytech made it, and they put a label over it and had it rebranded as this TJJK or whatever. You know, I don't know what all that means, but it was $30. Okay, I got it for $30, so we'll see if it's worth $30. All right. Easy killer. Well, it's definitely worth $30. I can tell you that right now, because it's pretty quick. I'm not real hip on the control scheme there with the quadcopter. I like the dial a lot better. It doesn't seem like the turning radius on it's very sharp. It has a water-cooled motor engine. Damn, I hate hitting that like that. You can see the little port there where the water comes out. Well, I guess it's not going to write itself, so I'll have to write it. Tell you what, boys, you couldn't go wrong with this thing for 30 bucks. I can tell you that right now. This was one of those eBay deals. This wasn't from China. It was local. Some guy in New Jersey, I think. Listen up, guys. This is one hell of a boat for 30 bucks. I mean, you can see how quick it is, right? I'm just trying to run out the battery. This only has a 650 in it. Okay? So far it's been going for a pretty damn long time for a 650. I mean, I know it's only turning one prop, not four, but still, it's still been going for a long time. Okay, there's the low battery, so that's going to be the end of that. Oh, I guess not. That was just a tip over. It didn't do it last time it did that. Okay, here we go. Bring it on home, boys. Oh my God. All right, guys. This thing is well worth $30 damn. I can tell you right now. It's the Skytech H100 high-speed racing boat. It has the little liquid cooled motor. I'll show that when I do the sit-down video, when I sit at the table and do the quick look at it. I'll show you where the motor and the water cooling pipes go around there and everything. Another thing, it's a good idea when you take one of these out to just bring some paper towels and stuff with you. Take them apart right away and get the water out of there. You know, just undo it and take the little, and this one has a little shield that goes over, a little plastic shield that goes over the motor. And you can take that and just dab the paper towel in there and get all that dry and tip it upside down. Let all the, any kind of moisture get out of there, especially if you're going to take it on the ocean or out in some dirty pond or something. This is pool here. It's not going to be that big a deal, but and make sure you always oil the motor and stuff like that. They give you oil with it when you get it, so which I did that. All right, guys. This would probably be a great video to watch when you were getting ready to go to bed. Okay, because it kind of the battery lasted so long it kind of put you to sleep there after a while because the video is a little bit long. So I'll probably I'm going to break this into 2 videos because if I did the quick look and the table video and then put this video to made it one video, it'd be way too long. I'd put everybody in America to sleep, so I won't do that. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.